Yeah, you know, it's all in hand, all in hand. I think Kate thought we were going to ram them. I think we come out second best if we did. Morning!
I'll give you a bit of drive.
Okay, yep. And that's the way you have to haul the anchor on that. And that seems a long way up when you've got to do it like that. Lovely noise, isn't it? It's a lovely noise. And when they drop the plates as well, I love the noise that makes when they first let that go. It's quite dangerous. Yes. Yes, but you pull it. Yeah, but you pull the pin out, and that you want to keep clear of it because it'll take your leg off. There she comes.